What's going on YouTube? You came here for the Twitter bike. That's what we've got. Today we have a Twitter, it's called I'm just going to read this from the website, the Carbon Gravel Bike SRAM APEX-11 Speed. This one is a 54 centimeter, so medium. Not sure what color it is. 700C wheels, net weight 8.1 kilograms, SRAM Apex hydro disc handles, SRAM Apex long cage, SRAM Apex 42 tooth front crankset, 11 speed 1142 rear cassette. Bottom bracket is a hollow BB92. Rims RS Alu Alloy AL705. 700 by 40 tires. Jaguar cables. And I believe this one is retailing currently for $19.99. Save $401. That's all in Canadian. Let's unpack it. So, initial packing. Looks not too much packing in there. It's okay. It does come with a free helmet. So let's take out the accessory box and I'll put on the seat tube and then put it on the rack. The seat and seat post, both Twitter branding. Quite a nice seat. Seat post has the 2 bolts for adjusting. So inside the accessory box we got a manual, bottle cage, very light, useless toolkit, front and rear reflectors, probably won't use, flat pedals, not bad, I'm sure you won't use them, but not bad, and a retro spec helmet, pretty nice, not bad for free. And here is the packaging of the bike. Looks pretty well protected in there. Let's get it together. So there you have it, everybody. Twitter gravel bike Apex with SRAM 1x11. Let me know if you have one. Let me know if you're thinking of getting one. Not a bad ride. Around $2,000 in Canada. Peace.